ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬಯಸುವ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಏನೆಂದರೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಬರುವುದಾದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುವುದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಆದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So only by talking we can learn. Reading is not good enough. Writing is not enough anymore. Listening is good. Listening is required for learning the language. ಹೌದು, ನಾವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದನ್ನು. ಆದರೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿಯೇ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು. So we should speak in English. You can speak to me, or you can speak to your friends, or you can speak to your neighbors, you can speak to your brothers, you can speak to your parents, you can speak in the mirror, you can speak in the camera like this, but you have to speak. If you don't know correct English, if you don't know English very well, it is okay. No one was knowing the correct English from the day one. Even the great English speakers like William Shakespeare, or anybody who can speak English very well, as you know, they were also learning the English in the beginning. Anyone who is born as baby, who is born as a human being, only by speaking they learn, only by making mistakes they learn. It is okay if people laugh, they want to laugh, let them laugh. You have to speak, you have to talk. Speak means what? Speak. You have to just open your mouth and speak. So this is the biggest secret of learning spoken English or learning any language. What you have to do? You have to speak. If you speak butler English, if you know only some words like hi, how are you? Then start with hi, how are you? Then say I am fine, how are you? I am also fine. Thank you for asking. Had your breakfast? Yes, I had my breakfast. Had your lunch? Yes, I had my lunch. What you had for lunch? I had rice and sambar. I had rice and curry. So all these things you can speak. So we should always keep in mind that practice makes man perfect. Man, that includes women as well. Practice makes man and women perfect. So if you have a goal, whether it is speaking English or any other goal, you should always practice speaking in English. So if you are not following any other tips or any other points to learn English, one thing you have to keep in mind is that only by speaking we learn. So you can download the apps which allows you to talk in English with the bots, with the robots, or with the other human being, or you can record your own talk, or there are many WhatsApp groups. I can help you with that. But you have to practice speaking English. So to begin with, you can promise to yourself that today onwards I will speak in English to learn English. Whether I know some English or little English or very little English, no problem. I will speak in English. So that is the biggest gift, biggest tip what one can give about learning spoken English. With more tips, I'll come to you in the coming videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click on subscribe and support me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.